Hi everyone, this is Dan Wheeler with DVHS Techno. In this video, I want to introduce you to a program we use here at the high school called Hero and show you how you can set up your account and get started with it. So, what is Hero? Well, the program we use here at the high school is used for communicating between teachers, students, parents, and school administrators. With this program, we can also reward students for positive behavior. We can assign students to after-school tutoring or academic recovery center. And we can keep track of other student activity in the school, such as tardies and loss of instructional time. How do you access Hero? Well, there's two ways you can access Hero. One is online by going to access.heropower.com. You should bookmark this site for easy access. You can also download the mobile app, which is available on iOS and Android. Search for Hero for Students and download and install, and we'll take a look at that in just a minute, how you can set up your account. But first of all, let's talk about how you can earn positive points. Any teacher or administrator on campus can award students Hero points for the following areas: good work, random act of kindness, good citizenship, sub left a good report, A on a test, attended assigned tutoring, voluntarily attended tutoring, attended Saturday school, made an A for the 6 weeks, made academic improvement, parent-student conference, return lost or stolen item, or community service. So lots of different ways you can earn points. So the next question obviously is, what can you get with your points? Well, we're excited to announce that this year we're going to have a school store called the Cardinal Connection, run and managed by our structured learning students. At the school store, the Cardinal Connection, you can exchange your Hero points for items such as school supplies, spirit gear, lunch fast pass, and other school perks such as VIP parking or VIP access to the cafeteria, extra bathroom passes, and more. And this list will continue to grow as we build out the school store over the course of this year. The school store is opening next Monday, August 29th, and it will be located at the theater ticket booth in the E-Hall. And it will be open during A and B lunch Monday through Friday. So download the app, earn some points, and go check out the Cardinal Connection and exchange your points for different things. The second way you can basically get things with your points is the 6 weeks drawings and giveaways. We'll take a look at the students who had the highest Hero points in the different positive behavior categories, and we'll conduct drawings so that you can earn a chance to win gift cards, technology items, tickets to school events, and other school perks. So all of this is intended to reward you and encourage you to have positive behavior here at the school. So let's talk about how you set up your account. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, you create your account online. Number 2, you download and log into the mobile app. And then number 3, start keeping track of your Hero points. So, number 1, create your account online. In your web browser on your computer or on your phone, you will need to go to access.heropower.com. Sorry about that. Go to access.heropower.com, bookmark it, and then select students. And I'll do a live demo so you can see. So I'm at access.heropower.com and I'll select students. For parents, they can click parents and go through the same process to create their account. Here on the right side of the page, you'll select create an account. This will be what all students do because even if you were here last year, you will need to create a new account this year. So click create an account. And then it'll ask you to create the account, and we're asking you to do it with your DV Google account. So your ID number at delvalley-isd.org. We also want you to use the same password as your DV Google account password. So if you haven't logged into your DV Google account this year, the default is Cardinals1 with a capital C. If you have already logged into your Del Valley Google account, it'll be whatever password you came up with. And then you'll select create user. So I'll do this right now. I made a test or a sample student that I'm going to use. So type your password once, then you'll type it again, and select create user. Congratulations box, select close, and then at this point you'll select add student in the top left corner. And it asks you for an activation key and your student ID. Your activation key is what you'll be getting from your second period Cardinal Time teacher. So if you don't get your key from your second period Cardinal Time teacher, You can get the key from any teacher on campus, really. Any teacher has access to look up your information and give you the activation key. Every student gets an activation key as well as 2 parent or guardian activation keys. So I'm going to put in the one for my test student here. You put in your school ID and then select Add Student. So at this point, I have created my account and I'm looking at my dashboard. So I'm online, I can look at my behavior history, I can look at my profile, my schedule, and as I accrue points or earn points, it'll be listed right here on the dashboard. The next thing to do is to download and log into your mobile app. So definitely go to your app store, search for Hero Students, download, and log in. As you go to log in, it's going to ask you for your username and password. And again, your username is your Del Valle Google account. So it's your ID at delvalle-isd.org, and the password is the password you created. Step 3, start keeping track of your hero points. This is a screenshot of what your app looks like, the student app, when you're logged in. It tells you your total points. And it tells you how many you can use to exchange at the school store. You can also keep track of tutorial and ARC assignments. And in case you happen to lose your school ID, you can use your barcode on your app in place of your school ID. So you can use the cafeteria or the Hero stations around school. So just a reminder for teachers, please distribute the Hero activation keys to your second period students. And for teachers, you can access the activation keys in 3 different ways. Number 1, I will be emailing a spreadsheet to all teachers that has the codes for each student, and it's sorted by teacher last name and student last name. You can also find the same spreadsheet in our Google Drive, or you can log into Hero, go to Student Lookup on the left menu, type in a student's ID, click Search, and then select Keys from the Student Profile tab. And so I'll show that real quick just for teachers. Teachers, you'll select schools to log into and enter your username and password. On the left, go to Student Lookup, enter the ID or the name of a student. Actually, I'm going to do the one I just looked up. And then this is the profile of the student, and there's a tab called Keys. You can look at the Keys tab, and then the key will be listed right here, and you can give that out to each of your students. So I know it's a little bit of setup, but in the end it'll be really great because we can all communicate with each other, and students, you can start earning points and getting rewards for those points. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can always come by the Tech Help Desk in the Learning Commons, or call us at extension 3280 here in the Learning Commons, and we're more than happy to help you get set up. So good luck earning points, and enjoy the Hero program. Thanks.